Lesson overview. Online collaboration tools let people work together on the same documents, projects, and conversations from anywhere. The big three platforms: Microsoft 365, Teams plus Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Online plus OneDrive, Google Workspace, Meet plus Docs, Sheets, Slides plus Drive. Other tools: Slack for messaging, Trello, Asana for task boards, Zoom for meetings. Shared documents. Multiple people can open and edit the same document at once. You'll see live cursors showing who's typing where, comments to ask questions in the margin, version history, so nothing is ever truly lost. Team communication. Channels or spaces, one per project or topic, not one giant chat. Mentions someone to grab their attention. Threads or replies keep one conversation tidy instead of derailing the main chat. Etiquette. Don't expect instant replies. Respect working hours. Write clearly. A one-line message beats a 5-minute voice note. Edit. Don't shout in caps. Try this. Create a document in Google Docs or OneDrive. Share it with a trusted person or a second account of your own, and add a comment to a sentence.